Really quick tech tip for you today. A lot of people don't realize that Wordwall has lots of settings that you can change to gamify many of the activities that you do in Wordwall. And I'm going to quickly show you an example. So let's quickly play this game and you'll see that we can make it more game-based. This game, for example, at the moment, the word comes onto the screen and then we need to click on the correct country that links to that capital city. And then the next word comes along and we continue in this vein. Now, if you scroll down, you can actually change many of the settings. You can change the timer and increase or decrease the amount of time the students need to play the game. You can also reduce the number of mistakes the students can make. So we may say you can only make one mistake. Another thing that you can do is instead of waiting for the students to click on the answer, you can speed the game up. So let's play the game now and apply this to the activity, and you'll see that the game is completely different. Now I've only got one life and I've got to be really quick to click on the right button because it's moving very fast, and this makes the game more kind of game-based. It's a lovely tip and it really can change the way that you work with Wordwall. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.